Lendah Debt Relief is a debt settlement company based in Beverly, NA. It offers debt relief services to borrowers in 21 states across the USA. Lendah Debt Relief was founded in 2018. It is an established company that has been in business for 5 years. What does Lendah Debt Relief do? Lendah Debt Relief offers debt relief services for the following types of debt: unsecured debt, such as credit card debt, medical debt, and personal loans. What does Lendah Debt Relief charge? Lendah Debt Relief charges fees that range from 18% of the enrolled debt up to 25% of the enrolled debt, depending on the amount of enrolled debt provided. Debt relief service pricing or costs can vary greatly from one client to another, so it's best to speak to Lendah Debt Relief directly to determine an accurate quote. Does Lendah Debt Relief offer a guarantee? Yes, Lendah Debt Relief does advertise a money-back guarantee. Money-back guarantees in the debt settlement industry typically state you won't be charged any fees until your debts are settled. However, charging upfront fees is illegal in the debt settlement industry anyway. Check with Lendah LLC for more details on their guarantee. What is the minimum debt Lendah Debt Relief will consider? Lendah Debt Relief will only consider customers with unsecured debt of $7,500 or more. Customers with less than $7,500 of unsecured debt may benefit from a debt consolidation loan or credit counseling services. Does Lendah Debt Relief perform its own servicing in-house? Yes, Lendah Debt Relief employs its own in-house servicing staff who manage the process and negotiate settlements on behalf of the customers. What accreditations does Lendah Debt Relief have? The two main trade associations in the debt relief services space are the American Fair Credit Council, AFCC, and the International Association of Professional Debt Arbitrators, IAPDA. Lendah Debt Relief is an accredited AFCC member. Lendah Debt Relief is an IAPDA member. Is Lendah LLC a legit company? Lendah Debt Relief was founded in 2018. It is an established company that has been in business for 5 years. Pros: no monthly consultancy fee. Low minimum debt. Has IAPDA accredited debt specialists on staff. AFCC member. Cons: debt relief services only available in 21 states. Requires a minimum balance of $500 per account. Key takeaway: low debt minimum. Lendah Debt Relief stands out from the competition because it only requires clients to have a minimum balance of $7,500. Most firms require at least $10,000 of unsecured debt. On the other hand, it will only help settle individual accounts with a balance of at least $500 or more per account. AFCC and IAPDA accredited. Lendah Debt Relief is a member of the American Fair Credit Council, AFCC, which is the largest trade association for the debt settlement industry. It also employs debt resolution specialists that have been trained and accredited by the International Association of Professional Debt Arbitrators, IAPDA. Established company. Lendah Debt Relief has been in business for 5 years. Types of debts settled. Lendah Debt Relief will only settle unsecured debts. These include credit card accounts, personal loans, and payday loans. Only available in some states. Lendah Debt Relief is only available in 21 states. Offers in-house debt relief services. Some debt settlement companies act as intermediaries for larger firms. This company uses its own staff to handle debt settlement accounts. Customer service availability. Lendah LLC users can track the progress of their settlement accounts at any time by logging onto their online account.